Hola. So here it is again. Let me show you what is inside. So this is the website. This is my website, SpanishPlaydates.com. When you are a member and you have purchased the my Spanish corner, you will have to go to SpanishPlaydates.com, then log in through the members login. You will receive an email and a password. So you just log in and you find your product. In this case, you will see only this one, okay? My Spanish corner, the program for preschoolers, because these are different programs I have. So when you go here, you will see this. My Spanish corner is a program that has 10 sections. The first section is gonna just go through the welcome, how to use the program, Mi Rincón de Español printable material. You are gonna go through here and each has a video where I'm gonna explain to you. When I'm gonna welcome you, I'm gonna explain how to use it. And here, my Spanish corner as well, how you make a workbook, not a workbook, how you make a quiet book with Velcro and laminating those pages. So you and your children can have something to touch. In this case, is one of the things I do through the program. I use the 3 styles of learning, visual, kinesthetic, and audio. So this is the part of the kinesthetic. And then over here where you see downloads, you're gonna see the printable material. You click here and it's immediately going to go to your downloads. You open this and once it's open, it will show here. I'm gonna just keep going. Okay, so we are done with this part. Then you go to the number 4, the category 4. These are lessons for non-Spanish speakers transitioning into the language. All these purple area, purple lessons, are bilingual, meaning English and Spanish. So we have, if we go to the end, we have 23 lessons, starting with hola and ending with adios. Okay, each lesson has a music track. So I'm gonna show you. All these lessons are supported by the visuals that you are gonna print here and are supported by the workbook that I just created, and it's going to be supported by the music track collection. So every single lesson is meant to go, or it's been created with the music track, all our music. Okay, so you go through the purple lessons, and then when you are ready, you can mix and match these classes. For example, lesson 1 is hola. You can do this lesson transitioning into the language, and then you can do the same lesson but with an activity. We work on an activity with we do handprints here. Lesson 2 is about good morning, and then you use the buenos dias song here, and then we do the activity. This is where I explain in Spanish and English, and this is where we do only Spanish, the activity. And the point of this is to repeat the song at least 3 times so the child knows exactly what we are talking about. If we go to the section number 6, this is mastering the music with visuals. So you have all again, but this is just me singing with the printables that you already have from here. So you're gonna see these printables 3 times. You're gonna see it here when I explain what it is. Number 2, when we work on an activity. And number 3, when we only sing together with some sign language there. Okay, so you can, for example, week 1, you can do 3 sessions of 3 Spanish sessions. Go through the purple first, then go to the orange, and then go to the turquoise. Following week, go through buenos dias. Next week, same week, buenos dias, same week, buenos dias. So it will give you about 23 to 30 weeks of classes every single week. With this, your children and yourself are gonna master this information. Okay, the ABCs, the colors, the song for cleanup, the morning routine, etc. Now, in this area, we have a bonus section with a Spanish story time. I read to the children in Spanish, and we have an activity. I selected a couple of books that are very familiar with the children. Brown Bear, May I Please Have a Cookie, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Each video here includes me reading the Spanish and then working on a craft. So we make the caterpillar here. And if you need details on how to make these or what they will need, you come to downloads and you download and you know what it is. For example, we're gonna open these. If it's going to open. Does it want to open or no? Well, this one is the printable material from my Spanish corner. So you get all of these. These are the visuals that I use with the kids. Okay. And then La Oruga, okay, here it is, La Oruga. And then you have the activity we're gonna make. Okie dokie. What else? And at the end, you will have, category number 8 are the access to shareable video lessons. Because this program is designed for you, who is the preschool owner, your students are not going to have access to this platform, okay? Because this platform is for you. Now, how are you going to share these videos with the parents? You are going to send them to our YouTube links. I posted all of these videos directly to a private area in my YouTube channel. So you click here, you go directly, and you have all the lessons in here. Shareable videos from my Spanish corner. You go to this playlist, open, and this is shareable videos from my the story time collection. So what you can do is select. Okay, for example, Hola bilingual class, Hola song plus activity, weather song plus activity, weather song, weather bilingual class, los números, numbers from 1 to 10 activities, etc. So the same videos are here and they are private. You are only going to, let's say, Hola bilingual class. Click here and then you share. Copy, share, and then send it to your students through an email or through a text message as you want. Same thing with the same thing with the story time, the Spanish story time. Okay, so those are the shareable videos. And the last part is the music track collection. This is the music that you can download to have it on your computer or your cell phone. Now, when you download these, if you want to share these not these videos, these ABCs tracks, not ABCs, just a track. You can do that with the students. You can do that with the students because it's the same thing like doing it with the workbook and the music track workbook and videos. Because you can just go ahead and share that with the families. It is included in the membership for this full program. So that's it. I hope that gives you some idea of how we do the Spanish, my Spanish corner with preschool teachers, preschool owners. Uh, Specifically, it's me who is teaching the classes. You just have to share the links. And this is just the order for you to have. Okay, well, that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, thank you. Bye.